In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom field into a Kit form. If you're collecting subscribers with Kit, formerly known as ConvertKit, you might eventually want to gather more than just a name and an email address. Maybe you'd like to ask for a phone number, a website, or any other detail that helps you better understand your audience. That's where custom fields come in. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the latest Kit interface so you can confidently add custom fields to any of your forms. First, log into your Kit account and head to the main navigation menu. At the top, look for the option labeled Grow. Click on Grow, and from the drop-down, choose Landing Pages and Forms. This is where all of your existing forms and landing pages are managed. Next, find the specific form you want to edit. It might be a form embedded on your website or a simple sign-up form you're using for a particular lead magnet. Click directly on the form's name or thumbnail to open the form editor. Once the form editor is open, you'll see a live preview of your form in the center of the screen. Take a moment to decide where you want your new custom field to appear. When you're ready, move your cursor to the area just below or between the existing fields. You should see a small plus or plus icon appear. Click that plus icon to add a new field. After you click, a sidebar will open on the right side of the screen labeled Custom Field. Here, you'll see a drop-down that lets you choose from any custom fields you've already created. If one of those fits what you need, simply select it. If not, click the option to create a new custom field. Give this field a clear name that makes sense to you behind the scenes, since this will help you keep your audience data organized later. Now, set the field label. This is the text your subscribers will actually see on the form. For example, you might type something like phone number or website, so visitors immediately understand what you're asking for. Once you've placed the field where you want it and you're happy with the label, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Save. This ensures your changes are applied and your new custom field is now part of the live form your audience will see.